Motherfucker. Alright, you know what? Fuck that. Skip all that shit. Should have thought of that before. Let's try this. Come on. Come on, I'll get this. Darn it. Come on. Fuck! Keep messing that up. Fuck. Wow, that's really tough. Close. Wow. This is wow. Damn it. Fuck. Damn. Oh my god. Oh, so close. Damn. Oh! Oh my god, this is so tough. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do here. This is really humiliating. I really don't know how to solve this puzzle. Damn it! I made that same mistake before. Fuck. Fuck that up. Yeah! Whew! Man, that is unbearably tough. That is stupid tough. Holy shit. You know what? It was all worth it because I got nanotech. Oh my god. Fuck you. I'm not tired of that shit. Things. Well, at least that one was a lot easier. Where am I even going? This is like an insanely high difficulty spike.
Angela Cross, calling Ratchet on secure band 7 Echo Foxtrot.
Ratchet here. Angela? Is that your name?
Ratchet was calling you something quite different.
Oh, was he now? Anyway, I'm just calling to warn you that Thugs for Less have taken over my flying lab.
But were the thugs not working for you?
Not anymore. Apparently, someone's made them a better offer. I tell you, between the thugs and the Protopet, this whole galaxy's heading for—
Wait, say again? Protopet?
Oh, yeah, it's what they're calling the experiment now. Here, watch this.
Why is Billy sad? Is he cold, hungry, or maybe just...
Oh, no! No, take it away!
lonely?
No!
Introducing the Megacore Protopet. Your child will shriek with joy when he meets our adorable friend. Want to play ball? So does the Protopet. Need a partner for tag? Go find the Protopet. Up for some cops and robbers?
Help! Police!
So is you-know-who. Just ask Billy.
No!
The Megacore Protopet. Stop by Planet Bolden and get yours free from Abercrombie Fizzwidget himself.
You mean that thing is going to be a pet?
Megacorp intends to market a killer. That is simply unconscionable.
Which is exactly what I've been trying to tell you. There will be disastrous consequences for the entire galaxy if that monster is distributed.
We must get through to Mr. Fizzwidget.
If you still think he'll listen, you should try to catch him on the planet Bolden. I'll upload the coordinates.
This could be our last chance.
Our last chance, eh? No. I seriously doubt the game is going to be over, and I hope it isn't because I didn't get enough cash to get the fucking Rhino in this game. Which really pisses me off. Ah! on it. Wait a minute.
When using the tractor beam, try strafing to better position objects. To strafe, hold L2 or R2 while running.
Ouch.
Clearance granted.
I wonder where these sheep are here. Yep, heading in the right direction. Ow! Fuck! Awesome. Oh, I'm guessing you're referring to that puzzle. But yeah, that puzzle was ridiculous. Oh, hello. Actually, I'm gonna start the sheep.